Welcome to another unboxing, my friends. So this is the UTK far infrared heating pad. Benefits: claims to relieve pain, reduces tension and stress, enhance blood circulation, helps muscular relaxation. This comes with Jade Stones here. Infrared lighting. So these are, a lot of people tout the benefits of this. I'm pretty excited to kind of check it out myself. My son does a lot of working out, and he's been asking me to get a nice heating pad for that to just help recover quicker. So there we are. This thing seems really nice. All right, so first off, it comes in its own little bag here. So that's cool, easy to store away. That's always nice, convenient. Sometimes you get a heating pad or something, usually just wind up wrapping the cord around, throw it in the closet or whatever. I like that it has its own bag here. That's cool. Oh my goodness. That's what I call a heating pad. So we have quite an in-depth instruction manual and warranty. So tells about basically all the different things here. Hot stone therapy, far infrared therapy, negative ion therapy, magnetic field healing versus harmful EMFs. So quite informational here. These UTK guys have a lot of pretty neat stuff. And here is our plug-in. This thing seems really heavy duty. Nicely packaged. Like the little bag there, that is definitely a nice bonus. So let's check out how long the cord is here. I usually like to demonstrate that just so people can see. Okay, so this is going to be our main control panel, basically, for lack of a better word. So the control panel to the plug-in cord on that is a good probably 3 feet, so that's nice. You don't want it too close. And then the cord itself is over 6 feet long for the power. So I have about a 6 foot wingspan here. So we'll check that out. So that's 6 feet there. And then an additional probably almost 4 feet. So that's nice. Maybe a 10-foot cord. That's really nice. So whether you're on a couch or something, you have a favorite recliner, and a lot of times you go to sit down, you use your heating pad, you're all excited, and it turns out your plug-in's 6 feet away and your cord's only 5 feet. So you might end up having to move your chair, not be able to sit in your favorite chair. So a 10-foot cord, that's super nice. Well thought out. Oh my goodness. So this thing is decently heavy here. Oh wow. Check that out. That is crazy. How many Jade Stones do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 90, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 63, 90, 150, 153, is that right? That's a lot. Anyways, let's plug this in. I'm super excited to test this out. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling sore right now, but a nice, let's see if we can plug this in here. Should be able to just slide this right in there. And it has a little thing there. Let's see, that plugs in. Ugh. Is it gonna snap into place, or? I think we're good. Let's plug this in. I happen to have a little plug in behind me here. Not 10 feet away or anything, but I'm gonna set this up on the back of my chair here. Wow, that is massive. This is the biggest heating pad I've ever seen. That's crazy. All right. Let's see how this turn this thing on. Okay, so we have an on-off button here. turn that on. Temperature minutes. Memory has turn it up to 109. I wonder what the temperature range on this thing is. I'm at 135, 140, 153. That's hot. 156. 159 is the highest temperature this goes up to. That's pretty intense there. That's some hot heat, and then let's see if it just starts heating up here. And then we can see how long we want. We can set the timer for 15 minutes, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180, 195, 210, 225, 240. So up to like 4 hours basically, and then it'll automatically shut off. So nice little panel here, easy to see, easy to just hold it and push the button, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit, and yeah, we'll see how long it takes here. Okay, so real quick on this also, when you get to whatever temperature you want, say I put it up to 141, then it'll blink 3 times, and that means that's the temperature it's going to climb up to. It has this little heating icon in the middle, and have that little light will be on the heating thing, and it'll tell you that it is still warming up. It'll automatically shut off after 4 hours if of continued use, or you can set the time to 15 minutes or whatever, and then it'll turn off that. So far, it's been probably, I don't know, about 7 minutes, and it's starting to feel nice and warm. They recommend don't put this directly on your skin. You want to have like a towel or something between that. Don't fold it sharply or bend or anything like that. So far, it feels nice and actually relaxing on my back. This uses the far infrared wavelengths of light, and it's supposed to penetrate deep into the muscles to help with that. So right now, I gotta say, it's quite comfortable. I will be testing this a little more, letting my son use it. Like I said, he works out a lot, lots of sore muscles. So yeah, right now from just this experience, it just feels really relaxing, and a nice heat there so far. So these, just touching the Jade Stones, they don't really feel that hot, but altogether on my back, it just feels a nice and like a warming sensation. So so far so good. So also my wife has some foot pain, and we might try this on that, just have her put her feet on this Jade on the top there, and obviously with a layer between, and then try to get that healed with this deep penetrating light wavelengths or something. So hopefully that'll help with that. But anyways, this is quite nice right now for me. I am feeling quite comfortable and cozy. This chair is already comfortable, but with like this added bonus of the heat, it just feels really relaxing. But yeah, pretty impressed with this so far. This isn't going to heat up super fast like your regular heating pads. This is obviously not a normal heating pad. This is pretty legit. So very nice so far. But I'm going to be using this for a few days and having some other people use it, and then I'm going to let you guys know what we all thought about it. So stick around, and we'll see you soon. All right, my friends. Well, it's been about a week, and I've had a chance to test this out as well as my other family members. So what I liked about it is that it's like way overbuilt. It's got double stitching here. It's nice and heavy too. And I like how big it is. So like some heating pads, they're usually about a half the size of that is like a good sized one. And this one, you could put your whole back on here, lay down on this, and it's going to get your whole back instead of just one little portion. I like that it's nice, and it feels like a weighted blanket almost. So if you put it on top of your legs, if your knees are aching, it just kind of like, and then you can even just kind of wrap it and tuck it under your legs. So pretty much or around your whole leg basically, and just get a nice warm heat coming in from all sides. I like the amount of temperatures it can adjust to 103 to 159 degrees. Takes a little time to heat up, but that's fine. Just get it ready before you're going to use it. It's yeah, everything about this is like really seems overbuilt and nice and just really good quality here. Like I said, I like the weighted feature of it, and I really like how long the cord is too. Very, very helpful. Been used it on the bed a few times, on the couch, and it's just really really nice after a long day of work, if your back's hurting or your knees or whatever, and just get that nice warm penetrating heat, and it just feels really good. So my son used it and my wife used it also for my wife used it for her feet, and my son, his back was a little sore, whatever, but they both thought it was pretty nice heating pad, warms up great. And yeah, we're really happy with this one, my friends. Of all the heating pads I've ever used, this one is by far my favorite. So thanks for watching this review. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a wonderful day out there, and I will see you all next time.